In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT with a strategy that I have been using for so many years in order to earn money online. Yes, you hear it right. And a strategy that you can use it for a long term in order to make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can use ChatGPT with a strategy that you can use it for the long term, for a really, really long time. If you guys are looking to replace your 9 to 5, if you're ready to fire your boss, this strategy is actually for you. Also, guys, please watch the entire video because I'm going to be explaining everything on detail. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you another way in which you can earn even more money online. Is that what you're looking for? So now let me show you everything here on my computer. Let me share my screen to make sure that we are all on the same page. Okay, first of all, we are going to be needing a couple of things. Okay, the first thing that we are going to need is actually to build a website. Don't worry, it's not super complicated. You can use it with a service such as Bana Hosting. So you can click the link below and get your Bana Hosting account. If you are like, well, Diana, right now I'm on a budget. Is there any free alternative? Sure, you can go to Google Sites and you can create your site here. Okay, but my recommendation, guys, is hey, if you have $7, that's literally all that you need. You can have your own professional website that Google is gonna love and you're gonna be earning way more money. But if you're just getting started, well, go with Google Sites. So we are gonna be using ChatGPT to create content. Okay, that's what we're gonna be using ChatGPT to create content. But in this case, we're gonna be talking about a company that it's called ClickFunnels. Okay, this company is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a tool, and the cool thing about this tool is that a lot of people are really using it. It has a really nice qualification Trustpilot, but they're willing to pay you month after month after month after month. As long as this person actually join ClickFunnels, you are gonna get paid. Who can use ClickFunnels? Well, every online entrepreneur because they need to have a website, they need to have a funnel builder, they can create an e-commerce store, they can create a blog. Okay, so a lot of things. If you're also considering trying ClickFunnels, I'm also gonna be leaving a link below. Okay, so now we have our target audience, which are going to be entrepreneurs. Okay, but chances are that right now they don't know what they can do with ClickFunnels. Don't worry, we are going to teach them, and you don't need to even know how to use ClickFunnels. I got you covered. Okay, so you're going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, so chat.openai.com/chat. Okay, and you know that this is a tool that is going to be helping us. Okay, it's going to be helping us create content, written content in a record time. Okay, there are several things that we can do with ClickFunnels. Okay, and several ways in which we can promote them. For example, we can go to really target audience and we can compare ClickFunnels with other programs. I just literally type on Google ClickFunnels versus, and you're just going to see that people are looking for ClickFunnels versus Kajabi, Shopify, Lead Pages, Go High Level, WordPress, Systeme.io, GetResponse, Cartra, and so on. So I can ask ChatGPT like, hey, write me an article about ClickFunnels versus Kajabi, ClickFunnels versus Shopify, ClickFunnels versus Lead Pages, and you're gonna have tons of information. Okay, so literally you can see like people are asking about pricing, about alternative, about reviews. So if you type A, okay, they want to know about the awards, the academy. If you type, for example, B, blogs, books, business tools, okay, the book funnel. If I type C, customer service, competitors, uh, careers. If I type D, okay, domain, designers, green card, and all this stuff. So in my case, I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to help me create an article about ClickFunnels and an ebook. How can people, use ClickFunnels to promote their ebook? Their ebook can be for, they can use it for as a lead magnet. They can use it, if they want to earn money with that. And this is how simple your website is going to look. In my case, I'm using Bana hosting to create and host this website. Okay, as you can see here, it's actually really simple. You don't need, by the way, guys, to be using images. That's 100% optional. You can have simple text. Okay, so in my case, I asked ChatGPT, hey, I want you to write me an 1500 word article on how to create an ebook with ClickFunnels. Okay, so here is it. Create an ebook is fantastic. Okay, create your niche, create your content, create an ebook, and all this stuff. It's a step-by-step tutorial, and I can use the Google Sites. Okay, I can choose one of the templates that I have in here. The one that I like the most is this one that is called Project. Okay, I'm gonna click here, and it's gonna be creating a website for me. Okay, it's not gonna be the best website, but it is okay, to get started. And there is a lot of things that I will need to replace, and I will need to delete. Okay, I'm not going to be wasting too much time of this because I know your time is valuable, but let's say that I want to delete this. I just literally put myself over and delete it. Okay. That's how simple it is. If you want to ask, for example, text box, okay, you can go here on the right side and you can ask text box. Okay. If you want to have a layout, maybe chances are that you're like, okay, I don't want to create a layout from scratch. Okay. And here are other things that you can do. Okay, so literally you are going to be copying and pasting this article. Okay, you're literally going to be copying and pasting this article. Okay, how do you have your website indexed in Google? Okay, there are several strategies that we call SEO. But to be honest, guys, and that's the reason why I really like Bana hosting and the fact that you can create your website with WordPress is like literally if you create your website there, you know, all the information that you create is going to be indexed automatically on Google. So you don't have to scratch your head like, how do I do that? And another good reason to use ChatGPT is that you can create several articles per day effortless. But we're missing something really important. Okay. I told you that we are going to be earning money. How are we going to be earning money? Okay. We can do this. We can go to the affiliate section of ClickFunnels and we can offer them a free trial. Okay. We can offer them this a free trial. So literally, they have nothing to lose and they can test ClickFunnels. So this is going to be my link. I'm going to copy it. Okay. And I'm going to go to my site and I'm going to be, I can type something maybe at the beginning, like in order to follow this step-by-step tutorial, please make sure that you're going to get ClickFunnels, or maybe here I can type something like before you continue, click here to get your 14-day free trial, or or I can put something, but ClickFunnels, uh, yeah, ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. So I can highlight this, boom, and I can insert my link. Okay. So literally, as soon as someone visits my page, okay, they're going to have the opportunity to become a lead on ClickFunnels because it's 14 days free trial. They can try it for free. They can create, check on the tutorial, they can actually follow the step-by-step tutorial because ChatGPT knows how to do funnels and all that stuff. And they can test it. Also, if you go with the comparison, example here, the comparison, you can do the same. Okay, you can compare both programs. And if you grab a link for both programs, you are going to be earning for both of them. Okay. Not all of the programs are going to be paying you month after month after month. So that's a reason why I suggest you to go with ClickFunnels, because they pay you 40%. Okay. As soon as the person pay, you are going to be earning 40% for life. And they also have other really good products that if that person decides to go and take advantage of them, you are going to be also earning 40% of those products. So this is a huge opportunity, guys, that I suggest you to go ahead and take. And this is it for this video. But remember that I told you something at the very beginning, like if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. So please take your time and check it. Okay. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.